Hi, my name is Tio and I'll be talking about contour plowing. So, what is contour plowing? It is a soil conservation technique effective against soil erosion and other factors as well. It was first practiced by the ancient Phoenician civilization, now modern day Lebanon, about over 3,000 years ago. So, it's not a very new agricultural practice, it goes quite far back. It involves plowing across the slope of a landscape by following the contour lines of elevation, which can be seen here, and works best on gentle slopes between 15 to 20 degrees. Contour lines are first marked on the designated land plot using an A frame or an Abney level. Then contour drains are cut, and after that, a plow creates step beds or ridges above each contour drain. Why do we do it? We do it because we need to battle with erosion issues, as can be seen in this field over here. You can see the erosion. We need to do it to prevent soil loss, enhance crop yield, enhance soil quality, prevent runoff, and increase the moisture retention in the soil. So the first example that I'm going to talk about is a study from 2012 done in Ethiopia in the Upper Blue Nile River Basin. It looked at basically trying to differentiate between traditional tillage, which plows up and down the slope rather than with the contour lines, and contour plowing. So two types of crops were analyzed that used the two types of techniques. One was wheat and one was teff, which is a type of grain endemic to Ethiopia. But as can be seen on the graphs, the traditional tillage or regular plowing had a much higher total soil loss than the contour plowing, which can be seen here, and same with this one. Um, Even these pictures do a good job at showing the situation. So traditional tillage had quite low, minimal, just bad growth, and you can see the soil loss here. While conservation tillage, which use contour plowing, has a much better growth rate for the plants that were cultivated. The second example I want to talk about is a study done in 1983 in Sydney, Nebraska. And just like the previous study, it tried to look at how contour plowing and regular plowing, or plowing with the slope, affects a wheat fallow rotation. So you can see by the graphs that the contour plowing had a much lower total soil loss than the regular plowing. Same in these over here. So this is pretty consistent with the previous study to show that contour plowing is really good at preventing soil loss and battling soil erosion. So in conclusion, is contour plowing worth it? As data has shown in the previous studies, it's definitely worth using, especially in combination with other soil erosion techniques too. So it's definitely good for minimizing erosion and increasing total soil retention. Some disadvantages can include that it needs to be done precisely. You need funding and you need the equipment to do it, because if you do it wrong, then you can probably have waterlogging, issues like that. Raise beds in between planted spots, minimize the cultivating space. And obviously, you need to maintain the land, so maintenance is needed. And that's about it. Thank you for listening.